Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to convert a Python script into a executable file so that you can open it inside Windows executable. So I will show you a library which directly converts your Python file into and compiles it into a executable. So as you can see here, we are having this simple Python script, which is actually a countdown timer right here. So if I run this Python script, it will ask me to enter the time in seconds. And as soon as I enter let's suppose I say 8, so then the countdown timer will start here and it will look something like this. So it's a very simple kind of an application which runs in the terminal and which accepts the number of seconds from the user, and then it actually shows the countdown terminal from that. Very simple application. So now I just need to convert this into an executable so that I don't need to execute this from the terminal. I can just right click and open it like a normal application. So for this we actually have a package inside Python which you can install. It's called as PyInstaller, PYIN. So this is actually the package. You just need to install this package, PyInstaller. The command is very simple: pip install PyInstaller. To install this, I have already installed this package. So once you install this, you simply execute the command here. Let me just delete this everything. So now we only have this simple Python file present. So just go to your terminal after you install this by executing this command, the pip install PyInstaller. Simply execute this command to install this module. I have already installed it. And then just execute this command PyInstaller followed by the name of the script, and then just type here dash dash console dash dash one file. As this is a console kind of, it's a console application, that's why I'm including console here, dash dash console. So PyInstaller, this is your Python file name which needs to be compiled to an executable, dash dash console dash dash one file. So just enter it, and now on the left hand side you will see it will create a bunch of folders, and inside that it will have your exe file. So just this will just hardly take 5 to 10 seconds and the overall process will be complete, and you will get this notification that build is completed and your Python file has been compiled to an exe file. So there will be this build folder created. We don't need to go to the build folder, just go to the dist folder, and if you open the dist folder you will find your file has been successfully converted from Python file to executable file. So it's converted into an exe file. You can simply open this, and now your application opens directly. As soon as we are opening it like a normal exe kind of an application, and again you again need to enter the time in seconds. So if I just type here 15, so the countdown timer will start here from 15, 14, 13, 12. So after it reaches 00, it will print out the message. So this application can be anything, it can be any sort of application. The process will remain the same. You actually first of all install the PyInstaller and just execute this command to compile your Python application, bundle it into an executable. So the command will remain the same. It can be any sort of web application, Python Python script. So in this way you can convert your Python script into an exe file. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.